All right, Mzansi sanibonani bafethu. This is your boy Opa Mafumani on Kasi TV. Namhlanje sela esibayeni siyasutha. So the only thing that is happening here is that today is Kaizer Chiefs and the Pirates. Now sifuna ubona ukuthi ama fans of both clubs njengoba bala esibayeni siyasutha, are they really going to enjoy the food and abobani abazo enjoy ukudla? Who will enjoy the drinks? Who will enjoy the food? Maybe it's gonna be Kaizer Chiefs or maybe it's gonna be Pirates, but asazi ngoba asazi ukuthi i-Chiefs ezowina or i-Pirates ezowina. So now kugcwele la esibayeni bafethu, everybody is here, everyone is here, and it's happening, and they are all enjoying the game. So we don't know who's going to win. Maybe Pirates, maybe Kaizer Chiefs, but then our friends will tell us. Which are put on?
Kunjani mfethu? Etha.
Kosi or Pirates?
Kosi for life.
Kosi for life.
Kosi for life.
So score?
Mamela 1-1. 1-1 but ngutshela igame izophela siwinile. 2-1 setapla. Mamela. Sikhathele labantu bangasaringi. Namhlanje salifaka ikhapa. Asayifana makuwine thina. Everybody is happy nasendlini.
Sure.
Noma mu happy. Noma mu happy.
Lava kahle today.
Mamela. Mamela.
Alright,
just find this card.
Hola. It is going to good.
Come on.
Chiefs and Pirates. Score.
2-1.
2-1. All right. This boy. Ladies, Mantamazar.
Right.
Great.
Yes.
Who favor?
Pirates. Yeah.
Okay,
2-1. Pirates.
You're going to
Pirates, definitely. Yes.
All right. How's you now?
Kosi for life.
Kosi for life.
2-1. Kosi. Yeah.
No, kanjani. Great stuff. Ithi sibona abanye ke bafethu ninali Khosi izositshela ukuthi Khosi Sini Khosi.
Sure.
Okay, sini score jam.
1-1 no score, but ngoba ngazi team yami anything is possible.
After those 10.
Mina ngazi
10 jam.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Good one. When you team Khosi now.
Na kanjani siyawina siphezulu kwayo futhi umntana.
Ne. Okay, start. All right.
Yeah, sanibonani iKhosi izowina. Sizoyishaya iPirates.
Great. Winner?
I feel the same way.
We are the same way.
Yeah.
This is really Khosi. Great stuff.
It's a must.
No penny, let's score. 2-1 maybe.
I think 3.
3?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Mbono wami mfowethu ukuthi ibhakane iyawina namhlanje. Ayizowina. I-Chiefs sizoyishaya namhlanje ngo-2-1. Yeah, naye umono wami mina ngisho kanjani mfowethu. Mengadliwa? Hayi ngeke isidliwe. Angisiniki lelo themba lokuthi ngadliwa mfowethu. Hayi ngeke isidliwe. Hayi ibhakane ngiyithemba iyawina 2-1. Lesikamakhephu. Last week besisemngcwabeni. Manje kule viki sizokhulula amaqhelo siyawaphosa. Danke baba.
Hello to you. Mfethu unjani?
Hola shopho kunjani?
Chapo cha.
Grena uchama.
Kosiyo Pirates.
Nanza uchama. Kitse ntsuba. Ya kitse ntsu Prawaka.
Zawushebile unayo ngothya.
Ha kitlo wina Prawaka.
Utho wina.
Ya ka 2-1.
Ka 2-1.
Ya litri nga ishaya ona yini.
Ne.
Lo ishaya hantle fe. Danke uchaka. Hola.
Hola.
Sure.
Kunjani?
Hey, yo, peace to the fam. What's up? Yeah, this is Nuda Pyro Navy presents. All right, enjoy what I'm saying. We are here smiling, we are watching soccer, we are feeling good. Imagine, Pirates over Kaizer Chiefs fans. Me 1 in your slice, about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nyabashaya.
Ubenza busy.
Ubenza busy.
I know.
Shaneka master. Ngimnani relaxile ngithukanga. Abafana abancane. Bheka. Bheka into 1, bheka into 1, bheka into 1, bheka into 1, bheka into 1. The Kaizer Chiefs. Golden black. Okay, kusha golden black. The Pirates. Black and white. Babek. Bashoot. Babek. Tina supporta wonke umuntu in disguise. Danko Godman.
Hola. Thank you. All right.
Kosi for life.
Mnandi. Lapho ibhakabhaka, lapho ibhakabhaka, lapho uyamfowami. Siyabuya. Soba right. Danko.
8 minutes ibhaya siyabuya. Bakani on.
That's why I can say uniform. Never feel until to it. Because my no, but I want kickers. Twenty to be show with a lot. How about when you babu Tabona came my friend? Yeah, Ababu Nat. Thank you, Jack.
Kunjani Puti? Hayi iChiefs iyabulala today. Ifana njengendoda engasebenzi. We always know ukuthi sidle kodwa namhlanje hayi sisilwele. Once a Chiefs always a Chiefs. Alala. Baka. Sasa
3-2. Yeah, 3-2 man.
Ufila kanjani? Ufila ngathi?
Ambulance ngilindile la ngaphandle yayi. Inhliziyo imile manje. Yayi sekobuye
Kulele.
Uzobasha. All right. Kuthiza kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani? Amnandi. Right. Yeah.
The Chiefs are
Ekhaya Pirates. Yeah. Angazi ngeke indawo yokuhlala.
Interview.
Athi ufuna full game. Hey, mase kuphela igame. Shop Sabo point. Okay. Siswami. Right to God. Chiefs ukorile, how do you feel mo? Ufila kanjani? Ukorile Chiefs. Hayi shothi ufila kanjani? Awuphatani.
Ikhuluma kwathi Bhakaniya. Isikhathi sasekhona. 90 minutes akakapheli. Yebo. Bathi first. Khululekani siyabuya.
Nizobuya.
Hayi kabuhlungu kabi.
Uzoshaya Pirates.
Hayi kabi. Sixesha but wami limkile kanje. Limkile. But wami ungayikhumbuli promise yami ndithana iKaizer Chiefs iyawina namhlanje. Kanje.
Yayigcineni ukwini inkosi. Yayigcineni ukwini inkosi. Yeah. Siyabapha. Kodwa nje Pirates ayingiphoqile ngisho.
Kosi for life. Unjani mama? How do you feel?
Hayi la, hayi siyawina sadlula.
Now win.
100%.
Yeah?
Sawina 100%. Sasemba. Kosi for life. Asukanga.
Shaya.
Sabashaya.
Kosi for
Ufila kanjani wena?
Mina ngi-happy, always ngi-happy.
Even if it's you Pirates,
Always, I'm a bhakabhaka, always.
Sure.
Yes.
All right, guys, so the mood now, it's a happy side. Now, of course, kunjani mfethu?
President yamakhosi mamelani bafethu ne bathi kune drought nani thina bheka size ngamabhakethi amanzi asithuka ngasisabi bheka bazoqola ngathi awukho umhlolo ozenzakala la kuningi okwenzakela bathi 10 years here what years bheka live and die live and die ungasabi president yamakhosi ke lena bafethu sisonke
Okay. All right, bafethu, animzwile upresident we ikhosi athi bona yena nje akathukanga next ikhosi libambile kahle ikhosi lizothela indungu. At the moment score is 2-1. Score is 2-1. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Pirates 1. At the moment. This is how the situation is at the moment.
Game management they call it these days.
11B. Thank you.
All right, so the Pirates did not even try. Actually, they tried but did not score. So it was, you know, a chance for Pirates, but Pirates did not get it right. So the Kaizer Chiefs fans are happy about it. Happy people.
This time last year with brown faces. And then the Tanzanian
Hello, sis, are you happy?
Actually, I'm not. I'm not. Sadly, Manga. Kuma penalty sobon.
So how's the game now?
It's very, very nice. We are winning. To win exactly. Today is the Kaizer Chiefs. I'm happy.
I can see that.
Yes, I'm happy.
I can see you jabula.
Hey, akufani kancane kancane. Siyangena.
All right, so this is the two chances. Ngoba manje they've added 5 minutes and they've added some few minutes, so meaning Pirates can have a chance. Asazi, but Chiefs is leading at the moment 2-1, and here's another happy Chiefs fan. I can see that she's happy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
futhi kuswa ediwe lapha sacela ungicela unkosikazi lapha njalo ehlisa umoya la.
Sisi ubaba uyacela athi please yehlisa umoya. Uyacela yehlisa umoya mama.
Happy birthday Kaizer Chiefs.
I 350 seven 400 happy people. I 350 yakhuphuka namhlanje 400 uzusirilu yazi noma shade kamtsiphe ngeke basise phansi khothi for life yonke imizi ijabulile yeah.
Alright bafethu sisaselana esibayeni siyasutha ezone 6 eMgababa. So it's happening. Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates. So all the fans are here and they're enjoying. And now president ye Chiefs imela igate ithi makube iPirates izowina akekho ozophuma. Mara uthi hayi bona yeah, sure, President. How do you feel, President?
No, as it is, we shall warm up for the celebrations. Nama cricket ngale, petrol is oehla, inflation is over grand. Like yonke into izolunga la country lethu. Nama potholes wavala vele ngobuyeni. Yeah, sivala ama pothole ngobuyeni. Yeah, be simple lenda.
Lilepo, ayiphatha kamnandi, shabalala. Liphakathi eboxini Kalakatha nayo leyo mpahla iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwayo Sweet Mami Yusuf Marta wadileya ushabalala lidliwe kwi-TLP waligwinya u-Oxa babona ushabalala akanawo left ushabalala walidileya leliya bhola wayofuna u-Ashley Dupree walibuyisa uDupree waqhamuka Yusuf Marta wadla umshosha phansi yadlala TV iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu idlukudla kwashona wena iyadlimpofu Kaizer Chiefs are 10 minutes away from reclaiming their glory liyadliwa ibhola lakhe yena ke u-Ashley Dupree eyizoqala phasi ngapha ke nenkundla afuna ngapha ke Dion Hotopele phela babela basentia eletha ngapha ke nenkundla uyasebenza uYusuf Marta elisusa Yusuf Marta lizohamba ke liphelela ngale ke nenkundla kuGlodini Lepo siyayiqeda i-drought ka 10 years singenandebe Patrick Tito